Hi friends, today topic identifiers. Python identifiers. Python identifiers. A name, a name in Python program is called identifier. A name in Python program is called identifier. It can be class name or function name or module name or variable name. It can be class name or function name or module name or variable name. A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. Example. Rules to identify, rules to define identifiers in Python. Rules to define identifiers in Python. First, first rule. The only allowed characters in Python are the only allowed characters in Python are alphabet symbols, either lowercase or uppercase. Alphabet symbols, either lowercase or uppercase. Digits, digits 0 to 9. Okay, underscore symbol. These are only allowed characters in Python. By mistake, if you are using any other symbol like dollar, then will get syntax error. Error, syntax error. By mistake, if you are using any other symbols like dollar, then we will get syntax error. Only allowed in underscore symbol, only allowed in Python identifiers. Example, cash CASH equal to 10. This is allowed identifier. Okay. CA dollar H equal to 20. This is not allowed identifier. Next, two. Identifier should not start with the digit. Identifier should not start with digits. 1, 2, 3 total. Start with the digits, not allowed. Okay, 1, 2, 3 total is not allowed. Total 1, 2, 3 is a identifier. Okay, it's okay. Third one. Identifiers are case sensitive. Identifiers are case sensitive. Of course, Python language is case sensitive language. Python language is case sensitive language. Okay. Example program. Total, small total equal to 20. Capital total is equal to 999. Small total equal to 10. Total, capital total equal to 999. Print total. Print of small total. Print of capital total. For the output, control enter. Control enter. Control enter. Okay. Print capital small total equal to 10. Print of capital total equal to 999. This is the answer. Okay. Identifiers are case sensitive. Case sensitive. Small total, capital total. Next, identifier. Alpha. Alphabet symbols either uppercase or lowercase. That's the second point. If identifier is start with underscore, identifier with start with identifier is start with underscore, then it indicates it is private. Then it indicates it is private. Okay. Next, identifier should not start with digits. Identifier should not start with digits. Identifiers are case sensitive. identifiers are case sensitive. We, we cannot use reserved words as identifiers. We cannot use reserved words as identifiers. Reserved words are not used. Cannot use reserved words. Okay. Example: DEF equal to 10. DF DEF def is a reserved word. That's why we are not using the DEF. Next, sixth point. There is no length limit of Python identifiers. There is no length limit of Python identifier, but not recommended to use too lengthy identifiers. But not recommended to use too lengthy identifiers. Next, seventh point. Dollar symbol is not allowed in Python. Dollar symbol is not allowed in Python. Okay. Which of the following question? Which of the following are valid Python identifiers? Which of the following are valid Python identifiers? 1, 2, 3 total is not a Python identifier. Okay. Total 1, 2, 3. This is the Python identifier. Java to share. This is the Python identifier. $H. Not a Python identifier. Underscore ABC, underscore ABC, underscore. This is a Python identifier. Def. This is not an Python identifier. If also not an identifier. Not important point. If identifier starts with underscore symbol, then it indicates that it is private. If identifier start with underscore symbol, then it indicates that it is private. If identifier starts with double underscore, two underscore symbols, uh, indicating that strongly private identifier. If identifier starts with two underscore symbols, indicating that strongly private identifier. Okay. If the identifier starts and ends with two underscore symbols, then the identifier is language defined special name. Then identifier is language defined special name, which is also known as magic methods. Which is also known as magic methods. If the identifier starts and ends, starting and ending with two underscore symbols, then the identifier is language defined special name, which is also known as magic method. Example: underscore double underscore 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 add underscore underscore. Okay, reserved words. Reserved words. Next topic is reserved words. In Python, some words are reserved. In Python, some words are reserved to represent some main meaning or functionality. To represent some meaning or functionality. In Python, some words are reserved to represent some meaning or functionality. Such type of words are called reserved words. Such type of words are called reserved words. There are 33 reserved words available in Python. There are 33 reserved words are available in Python. First, true, T capital, TRUE, true. S capital, FAL, SE, false. N capital, none. Okay. Next, and or art is. And or art is. If, 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 else. If, if, else. Next, while. While for break. While for break. Continue. Return. In. Yield. Y-I-E-L-D. Yield. While for break. Continue. Return. In. Yield. Okay. Next, try. Accept. Finally. Rise. Accept. These are reserved words. Okay. 33 reserved words in Python. Try, accept, finally, rise, accept. Import from, as, class, def, pass, global, non-local, lambda, del, with. Okay. This total are reserved words of Python. Not important. All reserved words in Python contain only alphabet symbols. All reserved words are words in Python contain only alphabet symbols. Okay, except the following three reserved words. Except the following three reserved words. All contain only lowercase alphabet symbols. All contain only lowercase alphabet symbols. True, T capital, false, F capital, none, N capital. Example, A equal to small t or UE. Not acceptable. Wrong. A equal to capital T or UE. True. True. This is acceptable. Okay. Keywords. Import. Import keywords. Keyword dot KW list. Keyword list. Import keyword. Keyword dot KW list. Keyword list. Control enter. Okay. Control enter. These all are reserved words. Okay. These all are reserved words. Okay, friends. Today topic we shall covered on identifiers. Rules to define identifiers in Python. Okay. Next, identifiers in Python. Identifiers. Which of the following variable Python identifiers? Reserved words also covered. Okay. It's enough. Okay, friends. Thank you.